Hello! This is Backward Men, and welcome to Backward Men Cooks. We haven't done this in a while, but I wanted to share with you a very quick and easy recipe for a vegan-style chopped liver alternative. Now, how PC is that? This is a wonderful vegan recipe that I developed, and it's very easy. We start with some lentils. This is actually a lentil pâté. Now these lentils came in a can. I didn't even have to cook them. So I opened the can, I drained them, and I rinsed them off in cold water and into the food processor. That goes. And now into the food processor. This here, as you can see, are just some sliced onions, and they've been cooking in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I think you want a good olive oil for this, something that has some strong flavor. In that goes. Clang, clang, clang. And get as much of the olive oil in as you can. And that's about that. And next, just a little bit of seasoning. So we have about, let's say, a quarter of a teaspoon of white pepper. It can be black pepper too. I just happen to have purchased some white pepper at a spice market. And now this is smoked paprika. And smoked paprika has a wonderful flavor, and I think it gives a real interest to this. So this is, I'm going to put in also maybe just about a quarter of a teaspoon, maybe even a little less than that. And you can adjust. The secret to adding any spices to anything is less is more. You can always add a little more later, but you can't take out. So add a little less now, and if it needs more, you can add it. So in goes the smoked paprika. In goes, I was trying to measure in the cap, if nothing else, because if it accidentally falls in. That's also about maybe half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a nice big pinch of salt. We'll say about 1 full teaspoon of salt. And that's it. On goes the lid. On this goes, and kaboom. And all right, take a look. Look at that. Now let's take a little taste. We'll do this in Julia fashion. We'll put our right arm behind our back, and we'll take a little taste with our impeccably clean spoon and see how it is. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to post in the description, I'm going to post the recipe for this. Because it's vegan, it will keep in the refrigerator for at least a week. If you freeze it, it'll last 2 or 3 months. Just be sure to put it in an airtight container. So, that's delicious. And this is great because you can spread it on a cracker. You can take some pastry and roll it out into a rectangle, spread this on and roll it up, and then slice it and bake them. Let your imagination run wild, but this is a delicious pâté, easy to make as you see, because we did this all in real time. And enjoy. So this is Backward Men. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.